That is wrong. From there, we go to how Christians can solve the injustices related to work. Any injustice or any discrimination that comes up and it's related to work, how are you going to solve it as a Christian? Tell me, we start here. How do you solve it? Hey, you're reading. What are you thinking? Give me a point that is not there. Prayer, yes, very good. Counseling. Sorry? Your mind is not here. How as a Christian can you solve any injustice or any unfair treatment that incurs at your work? How can you solve it as a Christian? You are really not here. Your mind was, can you get out of home and come here? Or you were thinking about your girlfriend. We can help you. Are there issues? Yes? Yes, creating a good relationship. Negotiations, yes. Prayer. Oh, welcome back. Where were you? The first person here talked about prayer. Prayer. And the other time I was emphasizing that people to fast. We should start fasting as a whole class. We fast. Yes? Why are we fasting? We are fasting so that we can get an A. Yes? If we start fasting that and you are the Form 4s, you know the whole school will eliminate and this will be a Christian center. We should do that. Yes? How can you solve a conflict as a Christian? Helping each other, yes. Yeah, by protecting the rights of the workers. Oh, yes. So, number one is you protect the rights of the workers or integrity at your workplace. Also, there is prayer, as you said, and fasting. Also, you have a legal clinic to help the workers who are oppressed. Legal clinic is whereby you have a lawyer who is involved in that area. You involve a lawyer. In our country, mostly the lawyers are not involved, but in the companies, they are highly involved. Yes. You also, the leaders to negotiate for the employees or the church leaders or the government, they negotiate. Like a good example is when you were on strike some time back. Nowadays, we don't strike. The church leaders were negotiating on our behalf. They were saying the children are suffering. You should go back to work. The latest strike that took place was for the what? The medics, yes, the nurses. Still, the church leaders negotiated on their behalf. You advocate for the rights of the workers. That is, they should be given a conducive environment for working. They should be given a just wage. Also, having a good relationship with employees. And a good example is there in school, whereby we have a good relationship together here as a community.